Pound in the mud for you, so basically.
How's the fishing, fellas?
We're about ready to catch a whole bunch.
Whole bunch of what?
Whatever bites. Yep. Whatever comes through the hole.
What do you got on there, Nally?
Crappie minnow, red tungsten.
Jeffrey, what do you got on?
I got a white tube jig.
Any minute, right, fellas?
Mm-hmm. Why not us?
Why not now?
Down surfing, or was he always?
So he's lifting it up.
He's lifting it right now, isn't he? That's pretty sweet.
Welcome to day 2 in Ely. You can see we've had quite the season change. We are back to winter. Snow as far as the eye can see. We were back on Snowbank Lake. Still waiting for that first lake trout. Pretty optimistic yesterday. A little less optimistic today, but there's no sun. We have snow, so it should be dark, so the fish should be biting. So 3:30, 5 o'clock, we expect big action. Big action at 5 o'clock. From a photography standpoint, yesterday, bluebird skies, there was nothing to photograph, no time lapse. Today is the exact opposite, completely gray, nothing to photograph. So I'm out here trying to catch a fish, trying to make a picture. Still beautiful out though, northern Minnesota. We have 2 eagles on each side of us, and the group next to us left to fish on the ice, waiting for some wildlife photography. They're not cooperating. It's going well, going real well. I did actually attempt some photography. I really did. But as you can see in this time lapse, there's nothing but flat light and low clouds. Yesterday, there was nothing but bright sun and blue sky. On the way to supper on Sunday night, I did take an image I've been wanting to shoot for a number of years. The composition is Motel Ely, and I just love the sign out front. I only have my iPhone with me, but the timing was just right as the light from the hotel sign was in perfect balance with the ambient light. A gentle snowfall certainly didn't hurt. The sign alone is a time capsule from another era. Color TV, room phones, air conditioned. I even like their attempt to modernize with the blue signs. Wireless internet, while current, almost feels dated in 2025. Regardless, I bet after a week in the Boundary Waters with the heat of summer and layers of bug spray, a room with color TV, air conditioning, and a phone to call Uber Eats is a welcome sight. As always happens on these trips, it's getaway day. The trip is winding down, and I'm staring at a 4-hour drive home now from this winter wonderland. We got about 6 to 8 inches of snow over the last 24 hours. Had two fishing outings on Snowbank Lake, fishing for lake trout. No success. We tried hard. We had a lot of fun, but no luck on the fishing this weekend. Did capture awesome northern lights on the drive up Friday night. Got a couple winks of sleep and Milky Way Saturday morning. That really made the trip for me. The fishing was kind of a bonus. So now, next on my list is I have a flight in about 22 hours down to Florida. So talk about 2 extremes. So if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. And hopefully I'll have a Florida video coming out shortly after this one, which will be much warmer and hopefully from the beach.